today we're just gonna be drawing literally and basically my name is I'm basically known as Go, and there's a little cutesy cat beside me because that's basically the cat, I guess. So I'm allowed to touch it. So I did some stuff already off camera, so yeah.
You could have the process lang po na siya sa statistics ang 80, at least 80, but that depends on your paper. Right? The statistician will analyze 80 would be enough. Hindi sila siya tawag na minimum. What about borderline? And statistician na din makaibalugiban, the research objectives, okay na rin. Labi na if your participants are pangitaunon. Like for example, like you're going to study accountants in Bukidnon or in Balay-Balay, hindi na din pwede sampling, i-take all na din mo kung kwantika, kay gamay na sila. So, pinangalan mo ako na sila at least 30. Kung hindi sila mo ako man, di pwede na i-quantity sila. Or if you want, outside ng Bukidnon, inuhang local, para magdabahan. Not all the time that you will do something for quantity, depending on your topic and the participants involved. So, that's ang challenge is, you're going to look into HR data. Most HR data is confidential. You should cover that. So, what else do you have in mind in terms of study? Pwede ka mamaya study about cooperatives or you could generate using AI kung saan na siya. Kung mag-study ikaw about cooperatives, that would have a bigger chance of being approved by the panel. Business mag-consider na. And cooperatives are usually considered as vulnerable organizations. Like, they live only on contributions from the members. In fact, that's a problem of the CPA, given that the cooperatives close.
Just actually, I'm supposed to be, but I'm not supposed to be doing mandatory. But I guess this color will orange and peach color. How about we work okay together?
Just to enhance your titles, please be very, wala yung double barrel, ha? When you say double barrel, basically yan cooperative or anak. Yeah. Dayon, we do not usually put our method in the title. Except for certain cases like a case study of anak. Pero kung quantitative ka, usually we do not put that one. Then we do not have predicting anak. So usually atua is kung quantity usa kay kung quantity
why is it so laggy, bro?
Employee retention.
I did not sign up for this laggy ass game. Whatever. It's so
close
laggy.
cooperatives. Kana. So kung sa imuhang variable, employee retention, leadership style, kinsa imong studyhan close cooperatives. And then kung quantity ayaw ko kami in Bukidnon. Amo ko lang
I honestly forgot there was a cat beside me.
Your paper should sound international. So pagtanaw nila, Bukidnon, hindi na i-publish. Sa Bukidnon, man di ay have stereotyping even in the research community. So pagtanaw nila, okay. Masahod sa nila before nila i-judge yung paper. Kaya uban, pagtanaw sa title, i-judge na, ayun, i-cite, there. And then be very clear with your variables if you're going to go into quantity. If you're going to quantity, klaro kung sa ibig mo study na, like door management practices. Kinsa imong studyhan ko. Sa quantity, kung sa imong studyhan kinsa, muna ang appear sa title. Sa quantity, unsa ang imuhang variables. O gina ang pinaka-say ka studyhan. Pwede po single variable lang. Pwede ka single variable for quantity. Like, you're going to do an assessment, but aside from that, napakailain mo haton. Aside sa assessment, you develop a plan, which is why dugay yapon. Okay, so I guess you will be changing your mind. Change na yun. Sa tanong sa'yo na ako, o si Dance Kasikuan. Sa Smart. Sabi ka ka, Smart?
Yes.
At sila lang yung sleep mo.
Saya na siya. Wala na siya.
Is money mo isubmit sa inyong methods?
Ito makuha ko sa imong ano, di ba, kung sa canteen management. Nakuha ko kung i-change na ako. Okay na ba? Okay na dito sa canteen ko, ma'am. Na palis na ito natin.
Color it.
Sabi na,
Ikaw, ma'am, factor research.
ay ako na ba?
Okay, perfect.
Basic accounting concepts and business readiness among grade 12. Of course, this is ABM.
Yes, ma'am. ABM versus non-ABM.
Nakabali accounting na
Ma'am. Nasa na yung subject integrate. Isa na siya sa mga nagkakwa sa kiko na all of the senior high school should kanya kuha sa entrepreneurship subject, which is an entrepreneurship subject, ma'am, is naagad siya higher yung
Okay, so in your entry, what's the subject description title? Ano yung title ng subject nila?
Yes, ma'am. Accounting. Entrepreneurship subject, isa sa mga competencies, ma'am,
Okay,
is
this was so laggy. Like,
computing,
I was so laggy.
ROI,
He did not see that thing.
topics. Dagan sila topic mga jump into higher accounting, which is what's like basic accounting. Like forecasting revenues, like interpreting income and expense, mga ganun. Pero dapat supposedly natin tayo mga basic accounting concept para hindi sila malibog ng mga murang competency sa entry mo, pwede jump into higher one.
Huh?
Subject is not